video is on moving graphics forward and backward in PowerPoint and Microsoft Word. So here's an example of a text box covering part of a graphic. And what I'd really like to happen is to move the text box back and have the graphic move forward. It's very simple to do. So I'm going to click on the text box. Again, once I clicked on it, I got the format option. I'm going to click on format, and then I'm going to tell it to send backward. And as soon as I did, it actually sent the graphic backward, and now I can see this. You can do the same thing in Microsoft Word. So I have a graphic, or actually a text box covering some graphics. I can click on it. Once I clicked on it, I got the format option, and then I'm going to send it backward. Very simple. If you have any questions, please email me at learn@vegetarianhomeschooler.com.